This is the sad reality of buying a property in Zimbabwe. Watch this. Now, there is this message, and there's a man who is saying that there is a land baron who is responsible for this. And surprisingly, when this happens, pese pazvinoitika, it will be nguva yekunaya kwemvura. Just watch that. Can you just watch how that solar geyser is being destroyed? How much are we talking about in terms of thousands of dollars? Talk of the property and what someone has invested their life savings into that. And not only a Zimbabwean property is so, the price is so ballooned up, because if you check the property that has been trending for the past few days in Belvedere, that is going for 2.3 million, and you take that 2.3 million, you convert it into rands. How many properties that are almost like you can buy 5 properties in South Africa that are far much better than this property that is in Belvedere? That I can guarantee you. Because 2.3 million, you are looking at somewhere around 32 plus million South African rands. And 32 million can buy you, if you can go to midstream, you can find a property that is going for 5 million, 6 million, or 7 million rands. Which means that for 7 million, for 2.3 million that is here in Zimbabwe, you can get good property in South Africa. You can buy 4, 5 properties that are in South Africa. So my question is, to investira kupi? When you get money, are we supposed to be investing? Because investing in, like right now, Stone Ridge, should we invest in our properties? Where should we invest our properties? And what are the better ways of investing in properties? Because there are land barons. People are getting into schemes where they end up losing money. And some banks, they are even involved. So my question is, what is the safer way of buying properties in Zimbabwe without getting scammed? Because this is the reality of what is happening. 2021, these demolitions, they happened and nothing happened. 2022, same demolitions happened. Nothing happened. No one was arrested. Same thing. We're seeing now this is happening in 2024. Toyota same as Zimbabwe, invest in property in Zimbabwe. Because at the end of the day, there are people that are in the UK that are trying to invest back in Zimbabwe, and this is what they get at the end of the day. Tell me what you think, because this is very, very sad.